Check, check. It's a little bit later, and I am looking at this coin. It is broken, down 5%, and I am looking at this 56.30 area, and I don't think I need to give it that much. I think 50 cents will be my last attempt. So let's see what we can get, if we can get these 56.30s against 56.80s. I'm not going to sit and watch it. If we get 56.20 about to fill, and then 56.80 about to stop out. And low a day, if it hits new lows, and I'm not going to sit here and watch it, and I'll just let it happen. If it's going to happen, it's going to happen. Getting pretty close for a fill here, and I did get it. I did. Okay. I am short coin here at 29 cents, stops above 80, and we are looking for a potential trade to hold situation here. This thing is broken, 5% down. This thing could go well past. Let's go ahead and set the low a day. I really want to see what it looks like near lows. I don't really want to scalp this one out. I kind of want to see if this degrades further. Looking at this daily on this thing, I mean, it's broken. I mean, we're talking like it could come in points. So if this thing does collapse down to lows, I kind of need to ride it. So we'll see what that looks like. Yeah, we'll see what that looks like. Let's be defensive if things do happen. I'll take one down at 55 as well if we get down there. But let's just let this thing work. Let's see if it collapses through those lows a day and continues lower, and then I'll see if I can cover some risk. But right now, there's really nothing to do. This thing is heavily broken on the daily. And yeah, I mean, it could go below 55, but 55 is going to be a spot where it's going to be tough to, I think it's going to be tough to get through right away. Maybe I'm wrong, but I'd like to hold it for longer. I'm not going to try to scalp this one out, even though it's a scalping type of day. This is broken, down 5%. So going to go back on pause and just let this thing work. Okay, coin cracking through lows here, starting to make its way down through the 60s. Still further to go. I'm going to take one off down in the right below the half, down in the 40s, and then I'm going to try to hold for 55. So let's see what we get. It's going to bounce around here. I am not going to just sit and look at this. I'm going to just take it off my screen, let it work. And there's the daily. She is very broken. Very, very broken. So go back on pause and just let this thing work. Okay, so back here, 10:30. This thing came all the way down to just like 10 cents away from my first cover, and then bounced all the way back up to 56. Now it's coming back down. I'd like to see it come and at least test this 55. I feel like the 55 test is almost inevitable. This daily is so freaking heavy. It's just the easy thing to do would be to take profit early, but I kind of have to risk giving it back. I really do think that this has a chance to flush that 55, and whoa. Whoa. Lost internet there. Kind of scary. I think I'm back. What was I saying? I think this has a chance to really crack that $55 level and make a run against 54, but I need to have the patience to let it do that if I want to try to capture that big of a move. I'd really like to see it crack down lower than this on this next attempt. So yeah, it's tough. It's tough. It's like, do you take part of the partial or do you hold out for the much larger move? I mean, we're 10 cents away from lows. Let's see if we crack through them this time. If we don't, I should probably take 2 off. There's lows. Here I am at 21 cents. Let's see if I get in down here, 21 cents. Are we going to crack through these 30s? We aren't right now. Are they going to actually sell this thing? Can they crack it? Here's 25 cents, 24 cents. I'm on the bid. I did not get it. Did not get it on the bid there. Gonna take it right there. I took 2 of them. I don't like the fact that it did not fill me on the bid. I have 1 left. So didn't like that it did not fill me at 21 cents. Let's see what we get now. Have a third of my position left. I am gonna set a stop above 60 cents. And I am going to set, there we go. It did crack through there. Excellent. Let's see what we look like in the 80s. I want to see if we get a quick flush down through 55. Can we make a run at that hole and at least blast through that? Can we crack down through that 55? Here's that hole number coming up. What's going to happen here? Amazon hitting lows after just being on highs. Amazon. Here comes 55. It got down to 4 cents. Here's the hole. Are they going to pound that 55 bid? Coin can flush through levels with liquidity vacuums, which is why I put a bid down there. And just for giggles, let's put one way down. And did I get it? No, I did not. It got down to 90. Did not get down further. I was at 80 something, I believe, 82. And I did not get it. I did get it there. So I'm at, what do I have left? I have a 1/6 of my position left. And I'm down at 37 cents. Let's see if we can get another move down here. There's 80s falling away. 70s. Nvidia on lows. Gonna put a tight stop on this. I'm not gonna give it back. Just gonna lock it in. It's a really nice little move there. Good job by me identifying the context on the day, but we'll just let that either break or pop up. I'm down in the 30s for a Hail Mary, but it might be asking too much right now. Amazon. Amazon moving significantly lower. Whole market caving right now. Amazon coming in hard. Let me set a low a day on Amazon. AMD came in. Nvidia came in. So a lot of different names. coming in here. Will this coin make another dropout? Down in the 30s if they do flush. Which coin can do? Look at the ES come in at the same time. Wow. ES about to go to low pre-market lows. Meta hitting lows. Yep. Nvidia. Wow. And TSM also continued on its day 3. Yeah, wow. Meta coming in. Amazon coming in. Yeah, I'm being protective in this coin here. I'll be out above the hole. But if she wants to continue going, then great. Otherwise, locking it in. I'll be out right here if it lifts the offer, but it did not. That's how heavy it is. Wow. Okay, I am flat coin, out of coin. That was a pretty nice trade there, so I am happy with that. Could it have gotten even more? Yeah. I feel like this cover I could have been just a tiny bit more patient, maybe. I feel like I could have gotten an improved price on that, but execution is never perfect. Nice, nice move. What did we get out of this? Got like 2.5, a little bit more than 2.5 to 1 out of that. So that's great.